No. Ben's gonna feel all this body work, and well, he's gonna feel the whole hood and see if he can find anything. And I'll just let him know right now that there's 2 dents in the hood that haven't put any Bondo been put in them yet. So if you feel something, Ben, just holler out.
Right,
hey, I feel something.
Right here.
What do you feel?
Dipping.
Dipping in the Cadillac.
Here too. This is actually a high spot up here, maybe. A little more to the left.
It's a little low right here.
Yeah.
But primer will fill that.
How about right here? Up. No. No.
Hold this camera for a second. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Now when I tap this metal and I push this high metal down, it'll make this low metal come up. So that's almost gone now. Let me take over.
All right.
And you keep feeling.
A little high right here.
Primer will take care of that one. I don't need to beat it.
A little low right here, maybe.
Primer take care of that.
High.
Good job. This spot is all a little bit ripply in the metal, but I'm going to put extra primer right there because there's no point trying to do any more straightening there. I'm not metal finishing it. I just want a good enough primer.
Okay.
Carry on.
Kind of a little wavy here. Along the bottom line.
This spot right here,
Yes,
this is low.
Okay.
So it's going to have some dolphin glaze put in it.
Right here, high.
Right here.
Yes, sir.
That's actually the edge of the Bondo.
Okay.
There's a little trace of Bondo right there that's throwing you off.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's what it was. But that's all I got. Is there any more that I missed?
Well, you haven't called out the 2 dents yet.
No, not at all.
It's a where's Waldo deal. Where's them dents at? They're there. You just gotta find them. Customer's gonna fire you whenever he paint his hood and it's got dents in it. The dents don't have Bondo on them, they're just dents.
Dent on the middle.
So they ain't in the Bondo, they're on the metal. There's one on this side and one on the other side. Okay, should we give Ben a clue? Run your hand right here.
Okay.
Run it fast.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, there's a pretty good sized dent right there,
Yeah,
right in the middle of that body line. It's a dent on either side of it. So we'll have to put some Bondo over there.
And then
Now come on the other side and towards the back of the hood. Feel around towards the back of the hood.
Right here.
No,
No, towards the right with the. I feel right here.
that's not it.
No.
cold, warm, warm, hot.
Right here.
You don't feel that dent?
Right here.
Rub it the other direction, front to back.
Oh yeah, okay, that's what it is.
It's a huge dent.
Yes, sir.
So you got to feel things from both directions or from every direction.
How about here? You see right here?
Let me see what you got there. No, that's, you've got a reverse curve right here that's going away. And that's kind of the end of it going away
Gotcha.
there. So
Okay.
maybe that's a little stamping weirdness or something right there, but it's nothing that I want to put Bondo in because it's a factory thing.
Gotcha.
Okay, Ben was pretty good at feeling the Bondo spots and finding the low spots and stuff like that. And now he's got the idea of how to find the dents that are hard to find. So here we'll take it from there and finish it the rest of the way out. So please touch my like thingy, share my shizzle, and subscribe, damn it!